up, guys? Welcome to the video, and if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you through a meal prep. We are just under 4 weeks out from a women's bikini bodybuilding competition, so we're getting close. We're lean. We're almost there. Right? And the key to this process is meal prepping and being prepared. It's not an easy process. And if there is a way that we can make it easier for ourselves, then it's going to be easier to reach our goals and stay on plan. And this goes for not even competitors either, right? So if you already have food ready to go in the fridge, you're going to be way more likely to just heat it up when you're hungry and eat it versus cook for 30 minutes, 45 minutes a meal when you're hungry. No, you're probably going to end up going to fast food, or you're going to get something that's processed or a snack, and you're going to get off your plan. So preparation is key. It's just after 5 p.m. and I'm thinking that this process is going to take about 2 hours or so. There's going to be downtime in between, but it may not seem as long as you think. Okay, so we are starting with chicken, green beans, ground turkey, and asparagus. The asparagus is in the oven. I usually buy the thicker asparagus, so I just started my timer at 20 minutes. I'm going to see how it's cooking and then go from there. The chicken, we're going to put half the chicken in the New Wave air fryer right now, and then we're going to put the other half in later. That's currently preheating at 350. Then we're going to go ahead and throw these green beans. They just steam in the bag in the microwave. Usually my favorite way to eat green beans is cooking it on the stove with some garlic, salt, and butter, but we don't have butter on our plan, so we're just going to put these in the microwave and we'll have them plain with our meal. And then we're going to be going ahead and using this ground turkey. We're going to be cooking it on the stove, and that's pretty much going to wrap up our first batch of the meal prep. This is a life hack. Whenever I'm cooking, I always use foil, whether I'm cooking something in the oven or cooking something in the New Wave like this. I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken that's all seasoned on this, and it's seriously going to save me so much time cleaning by the end of this whole process. We want to have the least amount of mess as possible, and it's just so nice by the end. You can just put your food in the Tupperware, and I think the only thing I'll have to clean is pretty much just this pan for the ground turkey. So the first half of our meal prep is done, the green beans, asparagus, chicken, and ground turkey. Now we're going to do the second half of the chicken, and then we're going to do some jasmine rice and sweet potatoes. We're going to wash the jasmine rice, put it in the rice cooker, and then with this sweet potatoes, what we're going to do is sometimes I put them in the oven, but today we're going to put them in the microwave, and I'm going to show you how I do that, and then we're going to put the last half of the chicken in the air fryer like we did before. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is how I'm going to prepare the sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes were pretty big, and usually I get the small ones from Trader Joe's, so it cut up to be a lot more pieces than I was expecting. And so to make this go as fast as possible, I'm going to go ahead and do 1 bowl of sweet potatoes like this. I'm going to pour some water. I kind of just estimate, and then I pour a little bit of water on a paper towel as well, like that, and then it just kind of covers it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pop this in the microwave. I'm going to start with 6 minutes and see from there, and then add a minute, another 2 minutes, 3 minutes, however long I need until they're really soft. This way is pretty fast, and I'm going to do the second half over here in the oven. Again, just using the foil. I'm going to pop it in the oven, and it's also going to cook and be super soft as well. So that's going to be it for the sweet potatoes. The rice is cooking in the rice cooker, and the chicken is cooking in the air fryer, and then I'll show you the finished product. We're officially finished with the meal prep. So we have sweet potatoes, we have rice, ground turkey, chicken, green beans, and asparagus. Now, I might run out of some of these things earlier than others, but we should be pretty solid for about 3 days or so, maybe 4 days. The whole process took about 3 hours, but I wasn't in the kitchen cooking for the full 3 hours. There was a lot of downtime. I was cleaning the apartment, unloading the dishwasher, loading it, cleaned up everything that I was using. I called my mom, I unpacked from our trip, so there was definitely a lot going on. And now we're officially done, and the weight is lifted off of my shoulders. Don't really have to cook for the rest of the week except for my breakfast in the morning and just a protein shake after I work out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.